Hello, welcome to Zoho Insights by Aspen94. My name is Christopher Mowers. Today, I'm going to show you Zoho Data Prep and some new features with Zoho Creator that allow us to build synchronizations and other data preparation, data cleaning type operations in a completely codeless way. This will speed things up for you. This will make it so that you can send data from application to application and make sure that your data types line up and that you don't have errors. In this example, I need to write a schedule for a coffee shop, and our employees exist already in our employee management system, which is in a completely different database. So in this custom scheduling app, I don't really want to create a list of employees and maintain them separately. That's why we're going to sync in the data from the database using DataPrep. Here is a look into our database coming from our employee management system, and you can see this is my employee data. This is what I want to bring into Zoho Creator. Here in Zoho Creator, you will see that the data we just saw in the database is a match for the data that needs to be here in this scheduling app. So how do we send this data from our external database into Zoho Creator? The answer is DataPrep. You can see that I have two pipelines here in Zoho Data Prep, one that sends data from our database to the employee scheduler, and the other that sends data from the employee scheduler back to the database. I'd like to populate this employees table here, which is currently empty. And if I go to this pipeline that I've already set up, you can see I have data coming from this employee table, data being prepared by a rule set, which is renaming columns and changing data types to change from the schema that the employee management system has to the schema that Zoho Creator expects. And then we send the data to Zoho Creator. So let me just trigger this. If I go over to my application and refresh, you should see employees in our employee table. And sure enough, here they are. We did it. No code or anything, just a little bit of aligning of data to data and pressing a button. Now, what if you don't want to press a button? That seems pretty inconvenient, right? Well, you can set a schedule in DataPrep, and that's what I would recommend in this circumstance. So I can make my employee schedule now. And if I go to create a new shift, let me select an employee. It's going to start at this time and end at this time. And there is my schedule just like that. You can see that the schedule is now on the calendar, the shift. But what if I discover that one of these employees shouldn't be active anymore? We have this filtered only to active employees. Well, that's what the other pipeline is for. And so if I change Adam back to not active, I should see that reflect in my database as well, in my employee management system. So let me do that. Let me find Adam. Now that we have success here, you can see that the data sent from Creator through the data preparation step and into the database. And if I pull up this query here from the database, you can see that Adam is now not an active employee. If you're interested in setting up Zoho Data Prep for your organization, whether it's syncing into Creator or CRM or some other tool, reach out to Aspen94. We can help you. We offer free 15-minute consultations for Zoho Data Prep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. And next time, stay tuned as we talk about more advanced data prep transformations for this kind of a syncing application.